Looking for the best router table for beginners? In this video, we're exploring top picks, including the best router table for beginners Amazon shoppers love. We'll also show why a professional router table can make your woodworking more precise and enjoyable. Stick around to find the setup that fits your workshop perfectly. Number 1. Bosch RA1141 Router Table for Beginners. The Bosch RA1141 makes woodworking simple, precise, and even fun. Perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a portable, professional-feeling setup, it comes with folding legs for quick setup and easy storage. Its easy-click router mount allows fast bit changes without leveling headaches. The laminated MDF top delivers smooth, accurate cuts, while the tall fence and dual featherboards keep workpieces steady. The starter pin and guard make curved routing easier. A built-in bit height gauge ensures precise adjustments, and onboard storage keeps bits and extras organized. Pre-assembled and ready to go, this 15-amp corded table gives reliable performance for beginners aiming for professional quality results. Number 2. Bosch RA1181 Router Table for Beginners. The Bosch RA1181 provides a large aluminum top for smooth, precise cuts. It's lightweight yet durable, perfect for moving around the workshop. Its rigid aluminum mounting plate fits a variety of routers and allows height adjustments for perfect cuts. The tall aluminum fence with adjustable faceplates and featherboards keeps workpieces stable and reduces kickback. A dedicated 2.5-inch dust port maintains visibility and cleanliness. With extra features like a starter pin, accessory slot, storage pocket, cord wrap, and power cord lock, this table combines beginner-friendly ease with professional precision. Number 3. SKIL SRT 1039 Router Table for Beginners. The SKIL SRT 1039 offers a 26-inch by 16-inch MDF tabletop for ample workspace. Its aluminum miter gauge slot keeps longer workpieces steady. The above-the-table router lift allows fast bit adjustments, and the dual-sided integrated bit storage keeps everything organized. A 24-inch fence with adjustable faceplates and 2 featherboards ensures smooth cuts while preventing kickback. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for beginners starting their woodworking journey or anyone upgrading to a versatile, beginner-friendly router table. Number 4. Yeivzwba Router Table for Beginners. The Yeivzwba router table is small but powerful. Measuring under 17-inch, it fits home workshops, personal DIY projects, or job sites, delivering professional-level results. Its steel stand with vibration-dampening rubber feet ensures stability, while the anodized aluminum fence with sliding faces, locking levers, and jointing capability makes straight or curved cuts precise. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for carving, routing, or general DIY projects. Number 5. Trend CRT Router Table for Beginners. The Trend CRT is built for precision and stability. Its steel frame stays solid during shaping, grooving, and profiling, giving beginners confidence in any project. The laminated 24-inch by 16-inch tabletop provides a smooth surface for clean cuts. Its deep aluminum fence adjusts easily and supports workpieces consistently, while the integrated 1/4 dust port keeps your workspace tidy. Compact and portable, this table is perfect for home workshops or job sites. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for the best router table for beginners, check the Amazon links below and explore your options for a professional-feeling setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on tools that make woodworking safer, easier, and more precise.